What's up, guys? Today we're looking at the all new for 2024 DOD. That's deck over dump. We've now redesigned it with some game-changing features. Let's go take a look at them. All right, so the feature we're gonna look at first is the easy fold sides. Now, historically, with the deck over dump model, no matter if it was a Diamond C's or whose it is, the sides are heavy, they're hard to operate, they're wobbly, they're wonky, they just aren't a good experience. In theory, everyone loves the fold down side, again in theory, but the actual product has not been awesome until now. We have the one-touch easy fold sides, much like your truck tailgate. You have a handle here in the center, unlatches the sides, and you can let it go. It's gas shock spring assisted so that it is safe. It actually locks in the down position where you can access the bed to be able to load palleted goods or long materials. This is a 14-foot trailer, so say you need to go get a bundle of 12-foot lumber, 14-foot lumber, pallet of flagstone, pallet of sod, that kind of stuff you can easily load in and out on the side while safely operating the sides with the one touch. Just like that, it's open and closed. You can see the heavy duty gas spring assist on the front and the back that are actually doing a lot of the heavy lifting for you. These sides weigh 250, 300 pounds, depending if it's 14, 16 foot length. The other thing, when we're talking about the rigidity of the side, these sides are really stout. We have a nice wide 3-inch top rail, big brake in the middle, heavy duty hinges at the bottom. Compare this to any other deck over dump on the market. This new DOD puts them straight to shame. The second feature that we're gonna look at is the HD V-tongue lid. Now, we've integrated this as standard equipment. We adopted the same design that was made popular the last couple of years on the LPT model. Gives you that extended deck space on top with massive storage space inside. It got the high flow pump, just like the LPT, so you get that faster cycle time when you're dumping as well. As another big improvement that the DOD got is the telescopic cylinder hoist. Now, you've heard my spiel if you've watched many of our videos about the lifting power, the sheer lifting power of a telescopic versus a scissor lift or twin cylinders under the bed. For the deck over dumps in the market, there's not another one that I'm aware of that has a telescopic cylinder, which it's actually one of the problems that were solved with the new design, because with the DOD as wide as the body is at 96 inches, you have all of that surface area, easy to overload or front load this type of dump trailer, and the telescopic cylinder solves that. It puts your lifting power right out on the front, very strong, never have to worry about it not dumping. The last thing we'll look at is the engineered tongue and frame design. Now, the DOD is offered in a gooseneck as well, but no matter whether it's gooseneck or bumper pull, they both have engineered framework from the hitch all the way to the rear. You can see how the tongue steps down toward the coupler. This is all engineered I-beam framework, and then every DOD, no matter the length or the GVWR, is going to be engineered frame as well. Again, you can see how we have the contour here in the frame where it gets deeper. The cool thing about the engineered beam framework, we can put the metal where it counts the most. We can make the web or the flat part as tall as we need. We can make the thickness of the web or the flanges as thick as we need, depending on the length and weight capacity of that trailer to get that job done. Be on the lookout for more action content coming your way. For all the rest of the details on the new DOD, jump on the Learning Center at diamondc.com.